This holiday season, I'm looking forward to connecting with friends and loved ones, getting more quiet and being really relaxed and just enjoying good connections with people.
I'm looking forward to the Christmas bird count and the new after count gathering at Rubens.
I am looking forward to spending some time outside. It's actually my favorite time to bird right now because with a lot of trees losing their leaves, I find it a little easier to spot what I'm hearing, and I like the cold, so I'm excited to spend some brisk days outside with my binoculars trying to spot some birds.
I'm looking forward to getting done with school and just having time to relax, read, spend time with my rabbit at home, and then hopefully get out birding, see ducks around Union Bay, something like that.
I'm looking forward to the Christmas bird count this year.
I'm looking forward to snow and skiing. I'm owl obsessed, so owls and good times with family.
Thank you for your words of wisdom.